When it comes to bifolds, the problem of door drop is as common as it is frustrating, and it's a problem you can do without. And let's face it, we've all been there. The dreaded call from a customer telling you that their beautiful bifold doors won't close properly, or even worse, they can no longer lock them, leaving their home and their family at risk, just like your reputation. Callouts to fix the problem are expensive, time-consuming, inconvenient, and can leave a bad taste in the mouth of a previously happy customer. But luckily, D-Bar has come up with an innovative and unbelievably cost-effective solution in the shape of the Adjustmaster Pro. Designed and engineered exclusively for fabricators, installers, and end users, the Adjustmaster Pro enables easy adjustment of door toe and healing without the need for deglazing, bead removal, or gasket extraction. Suitable for any style of bifold door, the Adjustmaster Pro is installed during the door's build phase prior to glazing. This innovative but simple to fit bracket sits on the top and underside of the door's extrusion and consists of just 4 parts: a top plate, packer plate, aluminium treble rivet and grub screw. In the event that the customer calls to report that their door has dropped, you can guide them through the easy adjustment process. The only tool needed by your customer is a 4mm Allen key. It really is as simple as that. No service call out, no downtime, no extra cost.